Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Friday, October 28th, 6:20 p.m. New York time. The stock indexes, weekly charts, each candle's a week. We just completed another full week. It's the last full trading week of October. And then Monday is the last trading day of the month. Well, looking here at the S&P 500. Look at the weekly candle. It's green. Almost a solid body. Higher high, higher low. Broke above this consolidation. Yep. Finally broke above that. It's testing this supply zone where sellers were. So it had labeled that prior and was expecting that to be a resistance. But we closed inside of it. That's good. That is very good. Also had a Fibonacci retracement here. Broke above the 0.38 and now at the 50%. So if we continue up this trend to the 0.618, that means that the next retracement go back lower should not break this low and then go back up. We'll see how that plays out in time. Let's look at the other indexes, see if they're equal or better. The NASDAQ 100, not so looking good. Nope. Still pretty much in this tight consolidation, but it is green, higher high, higher low. Dow Jones Industrial Average, ooh, strong like bull. Broke above this midpoint right here. Nice. And look at that huge solid body on that. Big trading range too. Very nice. Oh, that's certainly where a lot of money was flowing. Now we want to see it break above this and close above that. Yep, strong like bull. Remember, the Dow 30 is just 30 companies, but it's broad index. It is. It has also stocks from the NASDAQ in it. Yep. We never truly filled that gap down here neither, so we still have that gap pending down here. The Dow Transports also broke above this consolidation. Big solid green body. Higher high, higher low. Broke above this midpoint, closed above it. Very nice. We'd never think there was a logistics problem. See how it goes up there. That's a place to be concerned about because that big red candle was a big impulse move down. It also broke below that consolidation. So we could expect it to run up here. And the Dow Utilities, also strong like bull. And remember, this is the end of the month. A lot of people may be doing dollar cost averaging contributions to their long-term investments. And the Russell 2000, nice, broke above that consolidation. So look, there was the low of the year. Did a retracement. Look at these staircase patterns and consolidation, break out to the upside. Very nice. Very nice. So the little companies, the Russell 2000, a bunch of smaller companies, are participating in this rally. That's important. So it's like across the board, a bunch of cash came into the market. Buy, buy, buy. So again, hands down, the Dow Jones, one of the strongest index this week on the weekly candle. Or the NASDAQ, look at that. It's not closed above that swing high. So the big tech ones are struggling. Let's go on to the next. What's the next? Well, we'll look at the sectors. There's 11 sectors inside the S&P 500. Remember, this S&P 500 also includes the NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones, Dow Transports, and Dow Utilities, and the S&P 100. Those indexes are inside of here. S&P 500, like I said, is also split into 11 sectors. First one, XLK. Yep, technology sector. Green, higher high, higher low. Still hasn't taken that one out there. XLV, healthcare. Healthcare, big impulse move up. Nice. Finally broke above here. So one expects it's going to go up in here. Test this swing high. And again, similar to like the Russell 2000. Look at that. That was the low of the year. And we failed to follow through with the low. Nice. XLF. The financials. Big green candle. Broke above this consolidation. So this week I released a video on YouTube. There's our financials, the big banks. I showed the 8 industries. The 8 industries within the financial sector. And line by line, you can see which ones were winners and losers. So seeing this XOF up strong. XOF is just a stock index of some of the big banks. It's not as diversified as that video. So if you want to understand really where the leadership is in the banks, I recommend you look at that video, have a better idea. And also the Dow Jones is weighted average pretty big on big banks. And the Russell 2000 index is a bunch of small regional banks. They have an impact on those indexes. XLY, consumer discretionary. Green, higher high, higher low. Small trading range still down here in this consolidation area. XLC, communication services. Oof, red. Made a higher high, then a lower low, closed red. Near the lows of the year almost down there. Both, that's not good. Yep, that one sector is not a winner. XLI, industrials. Nice, look at that. So big green candle, higher high, higher low. Broke above this midpoint and closed above it. That's good. Very nice. Also, this was a consolidation. And we finally broke and closed above it. But low, lower low for the year. Now up. Next one, XLP. Consumer staples. Again, huge trading range. Amazing. Broke above this consolidation. Nice. Now, all these big candles you see, be aware, you typically see retracements on some of these. So to buy immediately up here, and if it doesn't have a follow through, well, that's not the best thing. But if it has a retracement on all these candles, all these charts I'm showing you, you see big candles, you could consider look for a retracement, maybe to the midpoint. If you're still bullish and if that candle looks bullish, buy it. Or if you see it break out to the high above here, maybe you're one of the traders that buy in the breakout and hope the trend continues. Again, that's referring to all these stocks I'm showing. XLE, energy. So here is a gap. We filled that gap. That's nice. Let's remove that. Also higher high, higher low. And look at that. This was the supply zone with sellers were, and that's where it tested and rejected it. Did not close in it, nor close above it. Yeah. Concerning. Also have a gap down here that hasn't got filled. XLU, utilities. Huge impulse move up. And that was the low of the year. Amazing. So much money flowing into the market. XLRE, real estate. Green for the month, higher high, higher low, still in this consolidation, struggling. Yeah, not surprised. Higher interest rates might be deterring people from buying real estate, as well as refinancing. XLB, materials, nice. Higher high, higher low, green, broke above this consolidation, nice. So these 11 sectors Just from that alone, we can see what's pushing the S&P 500 higher, because the super strong sectors is what you should be following. You'll be doing dollar cost average. And if you're in the ones that were red this month, what you might be consider to sell those and put the money in the better ones that are trending up. You can just do one share at a time if you want. Contribute every month, every week, every day, as long as it trends your friend. But let's look at the Faang Plus. These stocks are in the NASDAQ 100. Some of them are in the Dow, plus they're in the S&P 500. They are weighted very big on those indexes. First one, Apple, green, higher high, higher low. Nice. There's the low for the year. There we go. Nice. Microsoft, red for the month. Red for the week. Did make a higher high, then a lower low, closed red. So again, huge consolidation, never broke above that, doesn't look like. Not surprised, it's struggling. And we already knew that from weeks before when it was all the way down here. Amazon, new low for the year. Look at that. Took out that low for the year. So let's remove that yellow horizontal line. And huge trading range. Yeah, closed below midpoint, very bearish. Again, we had a consolidation here, broke below, and all it was doing retracement there. So it looked like it's struggling. Let's extend this out a little bit more. Yep, potential places. Let's put this on a monthly. Just go look at the chart on the monthly. Okay, this is Amazon. So here's a potential place it might be going lower too. The trend is down on the monthly. Potential areas. Meta, former known as Facebook. Look at that, new low for the year. Huge trend down, bearish, impulse, very bad. Let's put this on a monthly. And then view my monthly savings. Wow. So broke below $100, and it's all the way back in this level. This is from 2016, testing the lows of 2016. Wow. Yep, since last year it's been selling off. Google company, Alphabet, new low for the year also. Disappointing. Wow. Okay, let's put this on a monthly too. Get a perspective of what's going on. Wow, massive sell-off. Also below $100. Tesla, green, made a higher high, plus a lower low, but a close green. It's in consolidation near the low of the year, and it made a new low for the year. That's not good. Let's put this on a monthly. There we go. Look at that. That was the high of last year. Declining. NVIDIA, November Victor Delta Alpha. Nice. Green, higher high, higher low. Still hasn't broke out of this consolidation, but it made a nice reversal outside of that. That's good. Maybe I expect this. I don't expect it. I'm thinking, yep, watch it break above here. That's a potential area. So if you're one that knows advanced option strategies, this is something to consider doing bull put spreads. Bull put spreads. Yep. Right below here. Nice. Netflix. Wow, what a radical turnaround. Excuse me. So last week broke above and closed above this midpoint of that weekly candle. That was that big sell off there. Let's update this. Interesting. It's turning around. It's turning around. Miracles happen before the holiday. Wink, wink. And now we did have a follow through. Higher high, higher low, smaller trading range. But again, and higher high. So like I said, there's trade opportunities to trade if we break above those highs, those big candles, as well as look for retracements. So if you already bought this on the breakout of here, better hope the momentum continues to the upside. Alibaba, Bravo Alpha, new low for the year. Oof. Again, China shut down Shanghai. China policy leadership policy is hurting their economy and their stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.